Hello everybody, today I'm going to be making bollitos de yuca, and this is like a small empanada and we put cheese inside, but you can put fried beans inside too if you want to. And I'm going to start with the ingredients. Over here I have 3 pounds of cassava or yuca, 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 pinch of salt over here separately. And over here I have 1/4 of teaspoon of brown sugar, but you can use the white one if you want to. 1 tablespoon of butter. And I have the Oaxaca cheese that I'm going to be using over here. You can use any cheese that melts. It's okay. Or you can use fresh cheese too. And over here I have 2 cups of water that I'm going to be using to cook the cassava. Okay, so I'm going to start by cooking the cassava first. So here I have a pan where I'm going to be cooking the cassava. So I'm going to put the 2 cups of water here. And now we're going to put the cassava here. And here I'm going to put the salt, the teaspoon of salt right there. And we put the cover on, okay? So now I put the cover and we're going to leave it over here cooking until it gets soft, okay? Like a potato. Let's check on the yuca. The yuca is cooking in here. It needs a little more time. It's too hard. I'm going to check if it's already done. So if it's soft already, you see it's already soft. So we're going to turn it off and then put it in a different container, okay? And it takes only 30 minutes to cook. So this recipe is real fast. Okay, so I'm going to start removing the yuca from here. And I keep on smashing the yuca here. And I like to do it when it's hot because it's real soft and you can do it faster. Okay, I wash my hands real good because I'm gonna start using my hand now. And we can take off these little strings that you see. They're from the cassava. And you can see them right away, okay? And you can use the fresh cassava or you can use the frozen one. Right now I'm using the frozen one. You see how the cassava looks? Looks like it's a masa for tortillas. Okay, so at this time I'm gonna put the batter. The batter is at room temperature, 1 tablespoon. They keep on coming. So you're mixing and checking at the same time, okay? For those little strings. Okay, and it's gonna be time for the egg now. So I'm gonna mix it before I put it there. Let's put the salt and the sugar here. Let me put the sugar here. And I'm gonna mix it together with the egg. And now we can put it here. Put it to the side and keep on mixing. Okay, now we're gonna put the flour little by little, because sometimes we don't need a lot. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons for right now. Because it depends on the egg too, if it's a small egg or if it's a big egg. The one that I used, it was a small one, so I don't think I'm gonna be using all the flour. So let's keep on mixing in here. So I'm done mixing. Okay, so ready to start making my bollitos. Okay, now I'm gonna start making the bollitos. So I'm gonna take a little oil. I'm using olive oil, so put it in your hands. So you take a piece like this and you put the cheese inside. Like this, and close it. And this is a bollo. Okay. Okay, so take a little oil. I have the olive oil right here. So take a little bit with 2 fingers. Put it in your hands like this. And I was going to show you with, if you have the cheese in a little square, you can always do a ball like this. And open a little bit there. And just put the little square in there. Close it. And you see how easy it is. And there you go. Real easy to make when it's the cheese in a little square. So I have a couple over here already made. So I'm going to show you how to fry them. And I use vegetable oil, but you can use any oil you want, okay? So now it's time to fry them. So we're going to put them here. And we're going to keep on making more. And here's the other one. Okay, so we're frying this one's over here. So let's see. We're going to give them a turn. And remember, these ones, they don't need a lot of time because we already cooked the cassava. So we're just going to fry them until they're golden brown and they're good to go, okay? Right there. And this one. They're frying and there. Okay, these ones are done. So I'm going to put them to the side over here. And they're already golden brown. And I'm leaving those a little longer, okay? And I want to show you a dulce de guayaba that I got from somebody. So I'm going to use it together with the cheese and put it in my bollito, okay? Okay, so we start with this. And always remember to put oil on your hand. And I don't know if you try the dulce de guayaba together with the cheese. Oh, it tastes real good. We can also do the maduros with cheese and guayaba dulce. So I'm going to put the piece in here like this. And then we put the cheese. And try to close it real good because sometimes they open. And these ones are real good too because they're sweet and a little salty. Okay, so we're frying these ones over here. So let's see. We're going to give them a turn. Okay, these ones are done. So I'm going to put them to the side over here. I finished with the bollos. So I'm going to cut one so you can see how it's from inside. This one has the guayaba and the cheese, if you can see. And it tastes real good. So the other ones are made of cheese. And I always put a hot salsa in the middle. Sorry, in the middle. You see how it looks from the inside. And you can just dip it in the salsa. This is a hot salsa. It's real good. So you dip it in there. And that's how you eat it, okay? Okay, I finished cooking and I combined the bollitos with this hot salsa. Or you can always combine them with ketchup. And I hope you enjoy the recipe. And thank you for watching my videos. Like and subscribe.